Hi, what's up? Sammy here. So today we're gonna do something special. So right now we have FADO M1, FADO D11, and the FADO D4S. These are probably the most three popular e-scooters on the market, and you know, I personally really like the FADO M1. Did a review about that, and you can check out. And this is FADO D11. We are about to do a review on Gearbang, and I just received the FADO D4S. I'm going to do a review about that too. But as we are sending more of the e-bikes, we receive more feedback from customers. They have something like, how can I install the front tires? How can I charge it properly? And can I get it working? Is this a Ford product? No, it's not. So in this video, we're going to specify all of the details. And we are honored to have official FADO staff here to help us with all of this stuff.
充电器、扳手，还有装前轮的工具。拆开这一个竖板，把这固定在中间。所以我们车把可以向下倾斜15度。然后把这个硬固定紧。
好，
倒立过来。
倒立过来。
倒立过来。打开。
OK。
对着液压器，正方形的卡上去。然后拿出一个弹簧。
好。
然后将这一个锁上去。小的弹簧在里面，小的弹簧在里面。锁上。然后抓一下机子，没有摩擦就证明装好了。
好。
然后调整一个直的方向。
调整一个直的方向。
调整，这样就开启电源。开启一下整车电源，长按3秒钟就可以。然后这样。车灯的。
好，就可以了是吧？
我们正常是这样子，然后调整，这里会凸出来。那我们这样才可以开启电源。去连接充电器。才是可以正常充电的。如果不在开启状态下，是充不进电。
对。
先把这一个折叠扣打开。
好。
然后将这个钥匙关闭。
关闭
电源，然后把这个推上去，钥匙推上去，这里推上去，然后拧上去，这里收进来，然后把钥匙拔出来。
OK。
然后这样子，我们把电池取出来，然后插上充电器。然后必须钥匙要开启。然后钥匙要开到直行的状态，它才可以正常的一个充电。
这样。